Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge Vida. This is Swapnil, and this is one of the simplest workflow that I have created in a KNIME tool. Okay, and it has connected to the SharePoint. Okay, because these are the two different authentication nodes are connected, and in that I'm using a particular folder. I will show you which. This is the if you see data reports, under that KNIME QA outputs, and it has some sample data which I have downloaded from the Kaggle. Okay, and it has a data of this e-commerce data. Okay, and it has a different product categories like a beauty, clothing, electronics, and all this thing. Okay, basically I want is output like this. So it should be the data should be divided into two different categories. One is the beauty and one is the electronic, right? And it should be grouped right according to the region and according to the payment. Okay, so beauties all related data should be in a one tab, and electronics related all data should be in a second tab. Okay, but I don't want in a two different Excel sheet. I want in a single Excel sheet but with two different tabs. Okay, so how you will do it? This is the simple steps. Okay, so for that, first thing what I have done is I have done a grouping on the basis of product category, region, and payment method. And I want revenue to be as a sum at aggregation level, right? And I have added in the manual aggregation category. And now apply OK, because I already run that workflow. Now the main thing is I want, because there are multiple categories and I want only two categories. Let's say assume, right? So I considered only beauty, and for that I have applied row filter. If you are not aware about the row filter, what it does is you can filter out according to your desired category. So you have to select the column name equals or not equals, whatever you prefer. I select equals because I want only beauty related, and I have added the value. Same I have done for the electronics. Product category is equal to electronics. So I have a data for beauty which has a 12 rows, and electronics has a 12 rows. And if you see the original data, it has near about it has a 5,000 record. Okay, now how you can add these two different categories data in a single sheet? For that, what you have to do is you have to just add excelwriter, click on a configuration, configure it. Currently I will configure to my downloads, and let's consider as a sales data. Okay, save it. Now here is the sheet name, so let's make it as a, because first category is a beauty, that I have applied filter beauty category. Okay, just data. Okay, and just don't make any changes, just click on apply. Okay, now how you will add second? For that, what you have to do is there is a plus icon right here, plus icon. So what you have to do is you have to just drag it over here and drop it over here. Okay, similarly, if you have multiple branches, then you can add it over here, and according to that it will you create a tab. So initially if you check, it was only sheet name. Okay, there is no different option, second option. Now it has a second option. So what we'll do is you will name it, and yeah, that's it. You have to, and again, what if it is exit, then it will fail, or append, or whatever you functionality want. If you select append, then every time it will add up data in your existing data. Let's say if it has a 5 record, then let's say in new records we have 10, then 10 plus 5, it will be 15 records will be available. Overwrite means whatever your data previous have, it will be vanished and new data will be added. Or fails, if you don't want to make any changes in that, if it is exists, then it will fail. So it will not overwrite any data, overwrite or append, right? That's the simple thing. You have to just click on apply. Okay, and I think I have, okay, I will remove this because I have already sales data Excel. So I will delete this. Now if I go over here and just play this, you see green means executed. Okay, if you just click on a download, open this, now you will get beauty data on a single tab, means separate tab, electronic data on a separate tab. So this is how you can segregate the data. If you have a requirement to uh, upload the data on a separate tabs, then this is how you can do it. It's very easy. If you are new to this KNIME, then this particular video will definitely help you. And I hope you like this video. If you like, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.